Happy Mother's Day! I decided that because I have been wanting to for so long and that it's Mother's Day and your birthday, that I would make up a series for you that is all about hip arthritis and ways to engage with your hip at times of pain or times of not pain, and just trying to help your body move in a way that is much more comfortable, and I guess give you a bunch of the little tips that I give for people that are going through exactly what you're going through. And how this is going to work is it will be a few sessions that each will sort of add one onto the other. The best way to think about it is that a video that is working at the right space, right place, right intensity, all of those things, it's a place to stop. If you find that video is easy and you're ready for the next thing and it felt good for the days that follow, try the next one. But if you try the next one and the next one meant that you didn't feel well for a few days after, go back to the first one. This is how things progress, is that there's a stage and then steps that lead to it. The two indicators that are the best for knowing where to pause or when you are at the right level is one, that it feels good at the time. Really important. All of this stuff should feel good at the time. If it doesn't feel good at the time, usually an indicator that it's too much. And either retreat in the exercise video progression, or if it's the first one, let me know and I'll start at a different level. The second one is that it feels good the days following. I am not an advocate of believing that our pain should increase in the days that follow. It is okay in certain types of health conditions where, you push it and work it hard enough, and it is to be expected that you'll be sore for a couple days to follow. But it is not the opinion I work with that in conditions that are more long-standing and that really are detrimental to daily life activities like walking, that you don't want to be feeling uncomfortable for the days that follow. You should feel more comfortable the days that follow. If you feel more uncomfortable the days that follow, it was too much. There's a lot of ways to vary in it to make things less much, if that's even a phrase, but the best way is to first step back to the video that had come previous to the one that you had done that made you feel less comfortable the days after. And that's where we'll leave it. If you have any questions, of course, during this, let me know. Most of the comments or the conversation that I'll be having can be heard just through auditory cues, so you probably don't have to listen to me fully by watching. You might be able to just listen through the auditory cues. The video is important for if it gets confusing. Then check in and look at it. But most of the time, my cues should be clear enough that you should be able to just listen and be understood. I think that's it. I hope you enjoy, and of course I'm here for any questions. Let me know how it feels. Lots of love. Mwah.